Good management of your inboard motor begins with correct preparation. Always stock up on all official products as recommended by your motor's manufacturer. For coolants, follow specifications as written, and if necessary, dilute in percentages with demineralized water. Work only with the engine off and when the temperature has decreased. Using a rag for protection, cautiously open the cap, allowing for a gradual release of the steam. Fill up with care. Products conceived for nautical use have high protective capacities against corrosion. Never surpass the external notch of the exchanger and close tightly. On boats carrying water heaters, this operation is performed directly in the separate small tank. Complete substitution of the fluid in the circuit should be performed once every 2 years. Now, carefully identify the oil cap. First, remove the dipstick. Clean it well for proper level check. Minimum, maximum. Refill if necessary. Remove the cap and also leave the dipstick open to allow airflow from the base of the motor. Pour carefully and keep clean. Motor oils for nautical purposes are conceived for hard working conditions, still maintaining a constant and perfect lubrication. Verify the dipstick terminal also by resting it on a paper towel until the desired level is reached. Always remember to put the dipstick perfectly back in its place and to close the cap well, tightly but not excessively. Inverter lubricants must also be checked periodically. Unscrew the special cap which also serves as dipstick. From the endpoint to the mark, minimum and maximum are described. Use fluids intended for use at sea with high viscosity and optimum resistance to oxidation. Check levels once more and, without forgetting the special washer gasket, put the dipstick back in place and close the transmission well. If the fuel circuit has been emptied, one should also perform the air bleeding procedure. Place a towel around the oil filter attachment, unscrew the special bolt on top, and manually activate the fuel feeding pump, allowing all air bubbles to exit the circuit. When only fuel comes out, close the bleeder and clean up. Now you're ready for ignition. Make sure the control lever is placed on neutral. Turn the key until the acoustic signal turns on, which verifies the motor's functions. When the light signal of the preheater warning lamp turns off, turn on the motor and warm up on idle. Always verifying that water is also expelled from the exhaust. For maximum reliability, only refer to certified assistance and always consult your service manual.